What up, people? Here we are with another one. We're here with Ocean Storm. I see Ocean Storm seemed like it'd be a new game from Fish Games USA. Had to go to their site to see a little bit more detail. And this one right here that's moving, I actually like. We now have multipliers up to 30, 50 times depending on the game title. Like it, like it. Skill game development. See, they got the little stills. They also have a little trailer here, which I got it right down here. Well, actually showing actual gameplay. So we're actually going to go over it, break it down. I will try not to make the breakdown that much long. I see some people actually didn't like, but it's a lot of information to actually take in. Then, of course, I will come back to how to play Ocean Storm when I actually have a good fair chance to play with it. When I actually say a good fair chance, I actually play it more than 20 times. I actually put some real good hour and work into it to actually give y'all some tips to actually help you out. Now keep in mind, this tips from my perspective. Everyone play their own different way. Alright? Game's a game. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, hold up. Just to start off with, everyone's actually on here at 5 cents. I think only 4 guns is shooting. I only see one on the side, so they might just have just the side table. I think it's called an 8-seater. They might go up to a 10-seater on this, no idea, but just continuing. The big shark just went off at 5 cents. We'll see. Oh, right here. Crazy shark. Alright, just going off from what I see, look like it's just shoot. They might have a targeter on it. They should have a targeter. I don't see no targeter popping up, so this is just a little demo. Just notice, dragon. This might be a medium fish right here. All these are small. Something special. I think that's the chest right there. Don't know what he is yet. Just thought I just pointed it out. Let's go.
Oh my god! You are too strong!
Up here, see something those missiles? Look like it's octopus. This almost compared to the flaming gun that you get. It look like, of course, they're just shooting in one direction, so you might can turn it. I don't know how you got that. Might have to go back. Another thing to point out. He is still, though, can't say he, could be a she, but this person is still multiplying, so they cannot shoot at nothing else while everyone is still racking up. Look like somebody, I think it's him, just got the drill. They're still shooting. This person's still multiplying. Keep in mind, it's at 5 cents. Alright? Alright, this person just got a shark, or a small looking shark. It was a multiplier, come to find out. I call it medium, but it was a medium multiplier. That was pretty good. And the music changed for the electric chain? Question. Oh, okay. So they do have a lock on, and the lock on don't go to guns, it goes straight to electric. When the tank is out, maybe the music is because of the tank. I think that's supposed to illustrate that the tank is something very, very important. Hint. I think that might be bigger than the shark. Because everyone just automatically locked onto that. Just pointing that out. Lovers dancing. I guess both of those fish is considered one. So you can shoot either or. You still get both, I guess. Let's check out the multiplier on this one.
Oh, my dear. One more time. 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 One more time.
That's still at times one. It's saying one more time. Now I'm wondering if Fish Game USA looking at this. I wonder why it's multiplying. Should we just keep tapping real fast or just let it do its thing? Cause I see people when they let multipliers go. Do we tap real fast or keep tapping or just let it go? Let us know in the comments. And where it looking shark? Look like you got rockets on it. Rocket shark anyone? Hint. Continuing.
One more time.
Oh, that funny looking fish with the coat and all that just went off over here. Just to see what I'm talking about. Back it up a little bit so you can see. Let's see what happens while this multiplier is going. So the dancing fish finally stopped multiplying, so it was there. I guess this one up here got that funny looking fish and it paid him out. So go back and see what was the amount. Ah, the little stack fish right here. Yes. Just thought I pointed out. Seen it in a bunch of games. Uh-oh, is this the wheel? Uh-oh, I hear music again, and there go the tank. Starting to think that's just the tank now. If you didn't know, that's the funny looking fish that I was talking about. Uh-oh, it's starting to flip. I think that's the coin slash board that, the wheel, the damn wheel that runs around. You know what I'm talking about. You have to get the arrows in the middle. Yep. Okay, lantern monster. Okay, let's see what you do.
Let us fight. I will do it. Let us fight. Let us fight. Let us fight.
Now this tank got a drill on it? I wonder, did all the tanks have a drill? Cause I really couldn't see the top of it, but if not, this must be a different one. If it is, I'm blind as hell. Hashtag blind. What the squid slash jellyfish lookalike thingy? Oh, I guess that was the drill. There go another tank. That must be the laser one, just like the crab. I normally have the laser. That must be the laser crab. Just taking a guess. Don't know. That dolphin just went off right there. That's a multiplier. Alright, I got that funny fish going off again. Okay, that funny fish not a multiplier. He just is what it is. Now, of course, we got that little vortex thingy. Wow, at this point out, I have not seen not one crab on here. So I guess ocean storms don't have crabs in it. Right? Right? No? Alright. Alright, that is ocean. Ah, you know what? It stopped here. But anyway, this is a nice representation. Multiplier and that long sawfish, whatever, multiplier. But we actually know what this is. And judging from these two, I'll probably start shooting at him first, then go at him. But you know, that's just me. All these small fishes, if you ain't shooting big amount to actually make it worth something, don't worry about it. But anyway, that's from my perspective. I haven't got a chance to play on this yet. So when I do, I will come back with a how to play Ocean Storm. But this is just Ocean Storm Breakdown trailer by Fish Games USA. Once again, you want to see the original link, I'll have the link in the description. That'll take you to their YouTube page. Show them some love. They on Twitter and Instagram. And they have their official website, as you can see up here. Anyway, thanks for watching. See y'all later. Peace.